to my channel. My name is Rosie. I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope system for her finances. Today we will be cash planning how much will be going into our wallet and our envelopes this coming week. So let's go ahead and get our cash planning sheet. So today is the 18th and we will be cash planning $210. Okay. So first let's see what's in my wallet so far. Okay, groceries. So far I've got 20. I don't think I'm gonna use this 20 anymore. So anymore this week. So I'm gonna just roll that over and do 1 second. Okay. Oh, before we do my wallet, I gotta go into the savings binder and go into the scratcher and scratch. Let me get a coin. Okay, we gotta scratch off how much we're going to do this week. So let's do this one, $9, and this one. So that's $17. Wipe off the dust. So this one is gonna be 17. So minus 17, 193. And then we're gonna do $10 for 2026 savings. Elizabeth, of course, gets 50. Buffer gets 10. Let's see. Okay, those ones are okay. Maternity leave. I gotta fix this. We spent the money in here on emergency things. So maternity leave, I'm going to do 20. Car, I'm going to do 20. Okay, now that leaves me with $83. Okay, so I'm going to have the extra 20 in groceries. Let's make sure we do our savings challenges. So minus 5. Let's do 2 for this one. 4 for that one, and then 2 for this one, and then we'll just put the 70 in groceries. So that leaves us 0. Gas we don't really need to fill up this week because we might be going to the car dealership to look at a new car, so I don't want to fill up the tank too much this week. So let's do our tallies. So 1, 2, 3, 60, 70, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 20, 20, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, and then 17. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 20s. That's 140. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's $40. Then 1, 2, 3, 5s. It's $15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's make sure this is correct. Okay. So I'm gonna be going to the bank and what was I saying? I'm gonna be going to the bank and withdrawing this amount of cash. Okay, I'll see you in the cash stuffing video, which I'm gonna film in like a couple hours. Yeah. Okay, bye.